How to enable Bard AI on Google search. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Chrome browser, and in the search bar, search for Admin Console. It will land you on this interface. At the left side of the screen, click on Additional Google Services, and then click on this Early Access Apps. So right now you can see that the service status of this app is off to everyone. First of all, head over to it, and then click on for everyone. Once you are done, tap on Save. It will land you on this interface. Over here, you also have to enable the Core Data Access Permissions. So simply tap on Core Data Access Permissions. You will have to click on this checkbox and then tap on Save at the bottom right corner. Once it has been saved, your Bard AI will be enabled successfully. You can simply head over to the site bardai.com. It will land you in this page. Tap on Try Bard. Tap on I agree. And here you can see the Bard AI has been enabled. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to enable Bard AI on Google search. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.